In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a website for free with Wix. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to go over how you can make your own website for free in just 10 minutes. For this, you don't need any experience or coding skills. I'm then going to show you how you can set up a domain if you want to. And then finally, I'm going to show you how you can edit and customize your website without any coding or HTML. For this, you don't need any experience and anyone can actually do this. Okay, so what do we need in order to get started? We need the Wix website builder, we need a free sign up account, and we need the Wix ADI system so that we can create an amazing website without any technical skills. Let's get into the good stuff and let's show you how you can set up your own website. Step number 1 is going to Wix and signing up for an account. Now you can do that by going to wix.com and then clicking on get started right here. Once you do that, you can click on sign up and you can then choose to sign up with your email, or you can continue with Facebook or continue with Google. I recommend choosing Google or Facebook, but you can also do this if you want to. Now once you're done with that, you need to click on sign up right there. Once you've signed up for an account, you can start creating your own website. I'm going to click on create new site right here, and then we're going to get into the good stuff. Okay, so first of all, you need to answer a few basic questions. So what kind of website do you want to create? So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to pretend like I'm going to try and start a blog. So I'm going to choose blog. Right now, it actually gets interesting. So on here, you can choose whether you want to let the Wix ADI system create a website for you, or you can create your website with the Wix editor. So with this one, you need to answer a few simple questions, and Wix is automatically gonna create a website for you in just a few minutes. And if you choose this one, you would have to set up your own website, which again is still gonna be easy. However, if you don't have any experience or technical skills, I highly recommend choosing the Wix ADI system, and that's exactly what we're gonna do in this video as well. So for that, all you need to do is click on start now. They will then send you over to this page where you're going to answer a few simple questions so that they can create a stunning website for you. Now don't worry, you can always customize that later on. Let's get started with that process right now so that you can watch over my shoulder and find out how this works. Now question number 1 is, what type of site do you want to create? All you need to do is enter your business or website type. Let's say that you want to start a blog, you then type in blog and you can choose any of these categories. There are tons of them. Now let's say that you want to create a website for your YouTube channel. You can type in YouTube and once again, you'll find all of these different categories. Let's say that you want to create a website about dogs, you type in dog and then right there you find all of these categories. You get the point by now. All you need to do is enter your website type. I'm just going to go with a motivational blog, okay? Now once you've done that, all you need to do is click on next and you're going to get to see the next question. What do you need on your new website? So here's where you can actually add different features and sections. So do you need a subscribe form, a chat, Instagram feed? You can check these boxes if you want to. I don't need those. I'm going to go down and then right here you'll find more features and you can then add those as well. Now for the sake of this video, I'm just going to add a video tab and event tab, but this basically comes down to what you need and you can always set this up later on in the process as well. Okay, so here's where you can actually add the name of your website. Like I said, you can always customize this later on. So I'm going to do motivational blog, which doesn't make that much sense, but like I said, this is just an example. Next up, you can import content from already existing websites or Google Places. So if you have a local store, you can add that right here, or if you already have a website, you can also paste that in here and you can actually import content. And that was step number 1. Right now we can review and edit our information. Right there we can actually add a logo. So if you have a logo for your website, you can add one. So all you need to do for that is open this and add a logo. Let's just say that this is my logo. I then click on open and that's basically it. Now next up, you can customize your name, email, and you can add social media accounts as well. If you want to add your Instagram or Facebook page, all you need to do is click on add a social link, click right there and then paste it and that's it. Let's say that I want to link my YouTube channel. All I need to do is copy the link and then paste it right there. Next up, once you've added all your profiles, you want to click on next. And this is where you can actually choose the theme of your website. So you can go with any of these 6 different themes. For this video, I'm just going to go with the Inspire one. Click on continue and there you go. Next up, you can create a color palette from your logo, which I highly recommend you do because it's going to make it look so much better. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to use the colors from my logo on my website. And that's exactly what you can do as well if you upload a logo. So right now, they're going to work with these colors for my website. Step number 4 is choosing one of these homepage designs. Like I said, you can always customize this later on, but if you select one of them, it will show you what it looks like. For this video, I'm just going to go with this one. So I'm going to click on use this design. Right now, it's creating the website. And once this is done, you will actually have an entire website set up for you. Like I said, you can then always customize that later on, and I'll also show you how you can do that. But first of all, I want to show you what the website looks like, and this is just 5 minutes in, okay? So I'm just going to scroll down, and this is what it currently looks like. Now keep in mind that we can customize all of this. So we can start customizing all of the photos and all of that good stuff. Right there, you can also see my YouTube channel. So because I added this section, people will now see my videos and they can click on it to watch, which is awesome. If you want to start editing your website, all you need to do is click right there on edit and you can start editing a section. If you want to move different sections, all you need to do is go to the section and then click on move down or move up. Let's say that I want to move this down. All you need to do is click on this right here and it will actually do that. Let's get into the part where you can actually edit your website. Like I said, all you need to do for that is click on edit and you can then start editing your website. Now you can easily do that by using the drag and drop editor on Wix. So for that, all you need to do is go into this section and you can start customizing everything, okay? So you can edit the logos, you can add buttons, you can add phone numbers, social media accounts, and way more. So this is the header, okay? So let's say that I want to customize this. All I need to do is click on side menu and then click on edit menu. Now next up, I can start customizing these different sections on my website. So this is the header, so I'm not really interested in changing that much, but you can hide items, you can rename them, and you can also manage the page. Let's say that I want to change video player to video content or content in general. I then click on rename item, and then next up, I pretty much get rid of this and I type in content. It's literally that easy. So you can see that this is really easy to use and it's actually really convenient to edit your website on here. Now let's just pretend that I'm happy with the result, that I want to go live with my website. All I need to do for that is click on publish, which you can find at the top right corner. I'm going to click on publish right now, and this is where you can get into the domain stuff. So next up, choose a domain to publish your website on. Now you can use a free wix.com domain, which will look like this. Right here, you can then customize that free Wix domain, or you can connect your own custom domain to this website. If you want to do that, you want to click right here and you can then click on publish and continue, okay? So click right there. This is where you can connect your domain. So if you already have a domain, you want to click right there. If you want to get a brand new one, you want to click on get a new domain, and that's where you can set up your domain. Now let's say that you don't want to do that and you actually want to do this for free. All you need to do is basically choose the free Wix domain. So all you need to do for that is click right there on view site, and then I'm pretty sure that I can actually use this free domain from Wix. I know this doesn't look as professional as using a real domain name. However, if you don't want to spend money, this is probably your best option. And this is what my website now looks like. I set this up within just about 6 minutes and it looks like this. So right there, we can actually add articles. If you go down even further, people can discover the motivational blog with all my latest contents. I have this slideshow with different pictures that people can take a look at. If we continue to scroll down, people can actually subscribe to my email list. So if they enter their email right there and click on submit, they will receive my emails. If we scroll down even further, people can find my YouTube videos. All they need to do to watch it is click right there on this play icon, and I will actually send them over to my YouTube video, which is awesome. And then we also have a contact form. So that's what my website now looks like. Once again, this all comes down to what you need and what you're trying to build, but you can customize this to whatever you want. If you have any further questions, hit me up in the comment section. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel if you want to see more like this. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video.